Grade 6, Revision 2. About this video is designed to be like a game, but it's not completely a game. You know, it's a new experience. Watch this video and tell me if you want more videos like that. Okay. Estimate the area of each figure. Now we have this figure. To estimate the area, we will count the squares. Every square is 1 meter square. If you counted them, you will find that they are 18 meters square. Okay, for this figure, you will calculate the area, length time width. So we have 4 times 6, so it will be equal to 24. Don't forget yard square. Here you go. Okay, choose the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Yes, it's D. Because the sum of all of the angles must be equal to 360. These are all angles around the point. Okay, simplify the following expressions. We have 2p minus 3n plus 5q plus 7n minus 2p plus q. Okay, we will gather the like terms here. We have 2p and negative 2p. They will cancel out each other, so we will have 0p. We don't even have to write it. And we have negative 3n and 7n. So the remaining will be 4n. And last, 5q and q. So the result will be 6q. Okay. We will gather the like terms here. So we have 4xy minus 2xy plus 5xy minus 8. We'll gather them all, so we'll have negative xy plus x. Divisibility rules. Okay, for a number to be divisible by 25, the last two digits must be either 00 or 25 or 50 or 75. Okay, let's see the following numbers. This number ends with 00, so it's divisible by 25. This number ends by 69, so it's not divisible by 25. Then this number ends with 50, so yes, it's divisible by 25. Okay, this number ends with 15. No, it's not divisible by 25. And this number, 75, yes, divisible by 25. And last, it ends with 50, so yes, it's divisible by 25. Okay, by 8. The last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Okay, let's see here, 800, of course it's divisible by 8. And let's see the last 3 digits, are they divisible by 8? No, they're not. Okay, let's see the last 3 digits. Yes, they're divisible by 8. Okay, and these last 3 digits, 275, they are not divisible by 8. Okay, these are only 3, so let's see if these numbers are divisible by 8 or not. Yes, they are. And these are the last number here. Is this divisible by 8 or not? No, it's not divisible by 8. Okay, by 9. The sum of its digits must be divisible by 9. So you see here, it's 2 plus 8, 10 plus 8 is 18. Yes, it's divisible by 9. 18 is divisible by 9. Okay, and this 3, 5, 5, 13. 13 is not divisible by 9. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 6. Gather them, it will be 9. So yes, 9 is divisible by 9. 2, 8, 1, and 6. So is it divisible by 9 or not? No. As 2 and 8, 10. 10 and 1, 11. 6 and 11 is 17. 17 is not divisible by 9. Okay, and last is 180. 1 plus 8, it's 9, so of course it's divisible by 9. And last, 3006. 3 plus 6 is 9, and it's divisible by 9. 7. We will take the last digit and double it. Let's see here, if you have 203, you will take the 3 and double it. 3 times 2, it will be 6. Then get all other digits except the last one. So we will take all of the other digits, like the 20. here, okay, then subtract them. So you will subtract these two numbers. We have 20 minus 6. The result is 14. Okay, the result must be divisible by 7. And 0 is also included as a number that is divisible by 7. Okay, is 14 divisible by 7 or not? Yes, it's divisible by 7, as 14 divided 7 equal 2. So yes, it's divisible by 7. So the number 203 is divisible by 7. Questions wave 2. 5 minus 2 squared times 2. We'll start by 2 squared, and it will be a 5 minus 4 times 2. Then the multiplication. So we have 5 minus 8. So the result will be negative 3. So we have 5 plus 2 cubed all multiply 5. So let's see here. We'll start but what's inside the bracket. And from what's inside the bracket, we have an addition and a squaring, cubing. So we'll start by 2 power 3. So we have 5 plus 8 all multiply 5. So we'll start with the brackets first. So it's 13 times 5. So it's 65. Find the missing angle. In order to find the missing angle, you must know that all of the summation of all of these angles, they will be equal to x. So if we added them all, they will give you, they will give you 360. So all the summation of these angles will give you 360. So this angle is one of them. So we'll subtract all of the angles from 360. So the answer will be 84. X will be 84 degree. Here you go. 84. Okay. A rectangular coffee table is 2 feet wide and 4 feet long. How many square feet of glass is needed to cover the entire tabletop? Here you go. We'll add the glass top here. You will see the area of this glass top. So they told you it's 2 feet wide and 4 feet long. So it's 2 by 4. So the area is length times width. So we add 2 times 4. So the area will be 8. Don't forget feet square. Translation. Exercise 1. Move the figure 2 points to the right. Here we go here. We have these 3 points. So we'll start by this point, negative 4 and 1. If you move them 2 points to the right, so we'll count 1, then 2. So the new point will be here. Or we can add to the x point 2. So we have negative 4 plus 2. So it will be negative 2 and 1. So the new point will be here. Negative 2 and 1. Okay, for this point, we have 6 and negative 1. You'll have to add 2 points. 2 plus 6, so it will be 8. Or we move 1, 2. So the new point will be here, 8. So we have here x plus 2, as we are moving it 2 points to the right. So the new point will be 8 and negative 1. Right over here. Okay, and the last point here is 1 and 2. You only add 2 here, so it will be 3 and 2. Or you move 2 points to the right, 1, 2. The new point will be here. Okay, so this is the new shape. And this is the old shape, and if we just move it 2 points to the right. Okay. What happens to this shape? Okay, this is the original, and this is the transformed. What happened? So we moved it 6 points to the right. As it's the x value was 0, and now it's 6. So it moved 6 points to the right. Okay, what happened to this shape? The original is 0 and 3, and the transformed is 0 and negative 3. So 3, in order for 3 to be a negative 3, it moved 3 minus 6 is negative 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points down. So it moved 6 points down. This is the right answer. Okay. For figure x, we want to find x. you know that the sum of all of these angles is 360. So 360 equal x plus x plus x plus x. So we have 360 equal 5x. So to know the value of x, we will divide 360 by 5. So the value of x will be 72 degree. Okay, simplify the following expressions. We have z multiply z multiply z multiply z multiply z. So the answer will be z power 5. We have here L time L plus S time S time S. So the answer will be, we'll gather the like terms. Here we have L square plus S cube. Calculate the area. Okay, we need to find first the first area and the second area. To make it easy, we'll choose this as the first area. We have 36 and 50 and not 50. 50 is all of this part. So we will need to find this part only. So it will be 50 minus 8. 50 minus 8. So the result will be 42. To this part only is 42 meters. So you'll get the area is length time width. So it's 36 times 42. So area 1 will be 1512 meters square. Okay. For area 2, we have 8 and 40. So for area 2, we multiply the lengths and widths. 8, we have 40 times 8. So the result will be 320 meters square. Here you go. For area 3, that is the complete figure, we must add area 1 and area 2. So area 3 is area 1 plus area 2. So we have 1512 plus 320. So the result will be 1832 meters square. Linear sequence, nth term. Exercise 1. Find the rule, then find term 70. Okay, in order to find the rule, first we will subtract the second number to the first number. So we'll have 2 minus 1. The result will be 1. Then we'll subtract the first number from this number. So we have 1 minus 1, so it will be 0. Then you'll write n here and put the 0, put the 1 in front of the n as if it's multiplied to n, then the 0 beside n. If it's positive, you will write plus 0. If it's negative, you will write minus the number. So we have 1n plus 0. We don't need to write plus 0, and 1 multiply anything will remain 1. So we can remove them both. So we have n. This is the rule for this thick sequence. So term 70, we will remove n and put 70 instead. So term 70 will be 70. Okay, let's see a little bit, harder exercise. We have 6, 13, 20, 27, 34. So we'll subtract the second number from the first number. Okay, 13 minus 6 to get 7. Then subtract 6 from the 7. 6 minus 7 is negative 1. So you got it here. You have the negative 1. You will write n and put this number in front of n. Put the 7 in front of n and negative 1 beside the n. So we have 7n minus 1. This is the rule for this sequence. So the term 70 will have 7 multiply 70, we will remove n and put 70 minus 1. So we have 7 multiply 70 minus 1. The result will be 489. Exercise 2. Find the rule, then find term 10. Okay, we have 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. To find the rule, you'll do the same. We have 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10. Subtract the second from the first. We have 8 minus 10. So the result will be minus 2. Then we have 10 minus this result. 10 minus minus 2. So as if we are saying 10 plus 2. so it's 12. So we write n and put the 2 in front of it here and put the 12 beside it. Of course 12 is positive, so we have negative 2n plus 12. This is our rule for this sequence. Okay, to find term 10, we will remove n and put 10 instead. So we have negative 2 times 10 plus 12. So the result will be negative 8. Okay, we have 100, 90, 80, and 70. So first we will subtract the second number from the first number. So we have 90 minus 100. So it will be negative 10. Then subtract 100 minus 10. So we will have, as if you are saying 100 plus 10 minus minus, so it will be plus. So it will be 110. Then write the n. Put the negative 10 in front of the n. Then 110 after the n, so it will be plus 110 as it's positive. So we have negative 10n plus 110. So term 10 will be, we will remove the n and add 10 instead of n, plus you have negative 10 times 10 plus 110. So the result will be 10. Term 10 will be 10. So that's it. Congratulations. You saved the city.